Hello, my name is Amelia Freeman and I'm a Senior Product Manager at Karbon. I'm going to take you through the Custom Contact Fields feature. Custom Contact Fields enables you to set up a range of data fields for contacts that are relevant to your firm's needs. Custom Contact Fields can then be used in segments to group contacts together based on different conditions and criteria they have in common. I am first going to show you how to set up a custom contact field, and then I will create a segment using this custom contact field to find a list of tax clients that prefer to be contacted via email. So any admin can set up a custom field in settings. They just click contact settings, then they click edit next to custom contact fields, and then from here they'll be able to click this add custom contact field button. Here are some custom fields that I've already set up, and some examples include birthday month, gift preference, social media consent, or software used. To add a new one, we'll just click this button here, and then we'll give our custom contact field a name, select a type, and then select our visibility. So I'm going to call this custom contact field communication preference, and then I will select a type. I can select from text, number, date, Boolean, colleague, and list, and I'm going to choose list today. I'm going to choose email, phone call, or text message. And if I needed to, I could reorder these, delete them, or add another value. This defaults to be a single select, which means once saved, I'll only be able to select one of these values on the contact, but I can make it multi-select by clicking this little checkbox here, and then once saved, I will be able to select more than one of these values. The last thing you'll need to do is just set your visibility rule. So here, it has defaulted to people and organizations, but maybe I only want this custom contact field to appear for people, so I can just uncheck organizations. And then from there, I can click add. Now that we have saved the custom field, we can navigate to details and in the basics section, see all of the custom fields that we've added in alphabetical order. To add data into these custom fields, you can just click this edit button here, and then you'll be able to select a value. So for this one, maybe the birthday is February. You can see I've already set email preference, and I can always select social media consent, and then from there click save. Now we can use this custom contact field in segments to find my tax clients who would prefer to be emailed. So when you click into contacts, you will find segments here as a new section. To create a new segment, you just click this button called Add Segment. Each segment needs to be given a name, some filters, and a sharing rule. So here, I'm going to call this segment Tax Clients Communication Preference equals email. And now I need to select some filters. As you can see, there are numerous fields we can filter by, including the custom contact fields I've already added. And then in addition to these, I can also add from contact basics, contact details, client team, and accounting details. I'm going to choose service type and communication preference filters. So service type and communication preference. For each filter, you need to specify how you'd like it to match against the contact. So I'm going to choose is exactly for communication and select email, and I'm going to choose includes any for service type and select tax and tax and compliance. As another example, you could also narrow this down to just contacts that you own by using the client manager or client owner filters as well. The last thing for you to do is decide on your visibility and if you would like it to only be visible to yourself or to your colleagues, and today I'm going to select it to all of my colleagues. Now that I've added it, you can see it in the list here, and if I click this, the segment will be applied, or I can also apply it from the list here when I navigate to the contact. So here you can see that these are all of my people contacts that I perform the tax service for that prefer to be contacted via email. And from here, I can select them all to create work for, or I could just select a few to create work for. And I could also get a list of these clients by clicking on this filtered contact export option here as well. With Contact Custom Fields, you can now ensure all client data is captured in Karbon and use this data to create bulk and export client lists using filters that are unique and meaningful to your firm.